Ito naman. Look at that, guys. Sobrang sabay-sabay. You know, the synchronization is synchronizing. Pak, pak. Oh, gitna. Hey! What the hell? Standard. That's what you call standard. Oh! Look at that. Ayoko na. Ayoko na talaga. Ayoko na lang mag-talk. What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. For today, we are back to our reaction video, and this is for the champion of 2025 UAAP Cheer Dance Competition, none other than, of course, the back-to-back winner, NU Bulldogs. Yes, excited tayo for today, guys, because as we all know, every single year na lang talaga ay inaabangan natin ano bang meron sa routine ng NU Bulldogs. So talaga naman, the level of difficulties, the execution was so flawless and so good. Kaya naman, lagi silang nasa podium each and every year. Grabe. Excited tayo dyan. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. Go. Hear this, guys. God, ito na, NU Bulldogs. Ano bang team for this year, guys? You can comment down below. Di natin napanood to kahapon eh. Grabe. Ay, mga nakasalakot sila, guys, for today's video. And of course, shout out to Phoenix C. Thank you so much for uploading this video. Mas maganda sa kanya kasi kitang-kita nyo, guys, nakita nyo buong floor mat and it's like a wide angle view. So makikita natin lahat ng mga nagkakamali. Charit. Ay, parang Mortal Kombat. Ay, may change outfit agad, guys. Hindi pa nagsisimula. Ay, for the ano lang pala, cover up lang yung umpisa natin. Ito yung totoong costume nila. Ay, shala ng costume. Pero parang ano, parang may pagka-FEU sila dito. Charis. Parang yung color nila ay FEU Tamaraws. Oh my God, the sponsors Bic. Yung ballpen ng 90s. Ito na, guys. But parang all boys, no? May girls ba for this year? For sure meron, di ba? Flyers. Ay, double flip agad. Oh my God! That's what we wanted, guys. Very smooth execution ng mga pyramid and liftings. Pak, oh. Ganda ng transition talaga. Ooh! That's what we are expecting. Pak! Oh! Oh my God! Nagkamali ba yun? Hey! Hold on, guys. Parang all boys. Tama ba, guys? Comment down below. Medyo malayo kasi at matanda na tayo. Malabo na yung mata natin. Charit. Oh my God. Ang galing. Oh my God. Okay. Doon sa dulo. Pero hindi pa rin ata yung minus kasi hindi nag-touch doon sa sa mat. Oo, ganun daw yun eh. Charit. Hello, expert. Oh my God, buti na lang. Hindi masyadong kita yan. Ba? Ito naman. Look at that, guys. Sobrang sabay-sabay. You know, the synchronization is synchronizing. Oh! Diba? Eh! Ay, biglang lumuluhod. Oh, nakita nyo yun, guys? Parang first time ko nakita ng luhod step, ha? The waviness. Oh, nakita niyo ba yun? Umikot at nag-semi-splits into the air. Yes. The split is a splitsing. Oh! Ay, parang Mortal Kombat yung tugtog nila. Look at that synchronization, guys. Whoa! Oh my God. Kaya naman pala, alam naman natin ang level of difficulties. Parang, what do you expect? Ba't pa ako nagugulat? Charit. Galing nun. Grabe. Ang layo nun, ah. Oh, saka yung sabay sa tugtog, no? Saan pa, guys? Parang triple flip kinemerot yun. May ikot eh. Kala mo turumpo. Oy! Diba? May, ano ba, makakamping sila for today's video. Charis. Sakto ka sa hana, oh. Ay, may nalaglag. In fairness, ha, marami bang nalaglag for this year? Parang hindi ako sanay na may nalalaglag for NU Bulldogs. Grabe, galing ng prep squad nila. Look at that. Whoa, guys, grabe. Yung pag-angat pa lang, even yung when they're lifting it, umiikot na sila. And then pag-ikot pa, very smooth. Sobrang ganda ng landing. Ganda ng outfit nila na yun, ha. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, perfect execution. Grabe. Backflip in the air. The backflip is backflicting. Charit. Pero alam mo makaano. Japan pala sila for this year. Ayun sila yung mga audience. Sakura. Ay, ubog. Wow, 3 beses yun. Bug. Pati yung dance nila, super improving na, no? Eh! Kawaii, charit. Oh my God! Grabe, isa lang yung nagbubuhat, guys, no? At napagtanto ko na may mga girls, ang ginagawa lang talaga ng NU Pep Squad, magkakamukha sila. So, hindi mo talaga ma-identify who's the girls, who's the boys. Grabe, intense. Back. Oh, ganito na pyramid. Oh! Oh my God, nakikita nyo ba yun, guys? That is like, ano tawag doon? Tirador? Charit. Boomerang? Ay, nako dahil. Iba. Oh my God. Nilift na nakabaligtad like this. And then umikot at sinalo. Kaya nyo yun? Grabe. Pak. Oh. Gitna. Eh! Perfect execution. No wonder. Kahit na meron silang, hindi naman sila laglag talaga kasi it never touched the mat. Pero nakikita nyo talaga how perfect yung execution ng yung mga difficult stunts. Galing. Oh my God. Nakaka-excite. Kaya pala may mga naka-pink because of the NU Pep Squad. Hey. Look at that execution. The floor execution is so good. Grabe oh. 2, 3, 4. Double flip. Tumambling na umikot pa. Oh my God. What ulit? Oh my God. The split in the air. Oh my God, ilang ikot yun, guys? 1, 2, 4? 4 flips in the air? Grabe kayo, NU Pep Squad. The level of difficulty is difficultying. Whoa! Oh my God, guys, iba yun. Like, nilift nila, na gamit yung kamay na naka-stretch and then nag-flip siya, umikot pa before nag-handstand. What the hell? Standard. That's what you call standard. Oh, the replay. Shit. What the hell? Grabe. And they making it look so easy. Whoa! Guys, iba talaga. Ay, parang every year, they're showcasing a stunt na hindi pa nagagawa. Like, first time, so refreshing. Or maybe they've done it before, pero they're making it more harder. Iba ang inyo, guys. Oh! Look at that! Ano yon? Helicopter ba yon? Parang ginawa kang drone in the middle of UAAP cheer dance competition. Nakita nyo yun, nakahiga. And then nakatayo ka dun sa gitna. And then inikot kayo. So what the talaga? What the? Hindi natin pwede sabihin. Charet. Oh my God, tas nilip. Ayoko na talaga. Ayoko na lang mag-talk. Whoa! Oh my God! Sayang yun. Sayang. But nonetheless, they're the champion. The level of difficulties. Oh! Sayang. Hindi nila nagawa yun, guys. It could have been so perfection. Kapag nagawa nila tong pyramid na to, sayang. Pero sa sobrang hirap ng routine nila, like, it is forgivable. Sayang yun eh. Whoa! The effect is affecting. Solo. Wow! Very visually entertaining. Alam nyo guys, na natatandaan ko whenever I watch cheer dance, ang inaabangan ko sa mga props is ang Salingawi dance troupe. Kasi sobrang bongga nila. Kasi baklang-bakla yung mga production effects ng Salingawi. And this is like so good. Sala. Yung mga patala. Eh! Ayun na pala yun. Kabog! Kabog ang NU. Pero sayang yung malaking pyramid nila, guys. There you have it, guys. That is NU Pep Squad for their routine for the 2025 cheer dance competition ng UAAP. Grabe. Deserve naman ang championship. I think they won because of the level of difficulties. Kasi nakita natin, hindi siya perfection this year. Compared sa last year na talagang alam mo na agad, ay, NU ang magcha-champion. But this year, kung napanood ko to ng live, kakabahan ako for NU kasi hindi nila perfectly na-execute lahat ng routines. May mga nakita tayong wobbly, ganyan. Tapos may yung malaking pyramid, the main pyramid nila, towards the end, hindi nila na-execute ng maayos. So, very heartbreaking yun, guys, ha. Not only to the NU Pep Squad, but to every cheer dance, cheerleading or pep squad who's joining a competition na pag hindi nagagawa yung mga pyramids and routine, masakit sa puso kasi pinaghirapan nila. They didn't just practice in one day or a month. It's like a year of preparation. And, diba, yung mismong araw ng performance, dun kayo magkakamali. So, medyo heartbreaking yun. But nonetheless, they still got the crown this year, guys. They're still the champion of 2025 UAAP Cheer Dance Competition. Bakit nga ba sila nag-champion kahit may mali? At kahit na hindi na-execute ng bonggang-bongga? Comment down below, guys, pag-usapan natin. Because for me, I think they won because of the level of difficulties, the execution, saka yung mga variants of steps, saka yung mga kaibang ginawa nila. One of the highlights here is yung nakahiga, nakaganyan. Tapos may nakatayo dito, guys. Tapos inikot. Diba? First time nating nakita yan in the UAAP cheer dance competition history. So they're making history at the same time. And of course, congratulations for your back-to-back win and UFEF squad. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo guys, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.